Welcome to the Corinth Canal. Together we will sail along and get to know the most historic turning points in the Corinth Canal's long history, starting from Isthmia, entering from the Saronic Gulf and ending at Posidonia, its exit to the Corinthian Gulf. At the canal's entrance and exits, two sinking bridges facilitate navigation, replacing the old paramenta used by pedestrians, carts, and early cars. Sea currents at the canal usually change every 6 hours. The stream rate is about 2.5 knots, with a water level difference of 60 centimeters. The canal is 3.43 nautical miles long, with a safe navigation width of 24.6 meters at sea level and 21 meters at the bottom. The canal depth is 8 meters, and the maximum air draft is 52 meters due to bridges. Vessels can have a maximum draft of 6.7 meters, with the largest vessel transiting having a breadth of 22.5 meters. For the greater part of its length, the canal is riveted with masonry, from the bottom to the height of 2 meters above sea level. Isthmus Road Bridge was completed in the summer of 1949, with the full opening of the canal for the passage of larger ships, and the construction of the two railway and road bridges to serve land transport. Today, the road bridge of the old Athens-Corinth National Road remains fully functional, while it is also one of the most characteristic tourist attractions of the canal. During the World War II, the Germans, realizing the vital importance of the Corinth Canal, created a network of military fortifications in the area of the isthmus, with the aim of absolute control of the sea passage. On April 26, 1941, during the German invasion of Greece, intense fighting erupted over the Corinth Canal Bridge. Axis forces sought to capture this strategic point, to advance into the Peloponnese. Despite fierce resistance from Allied forces, the Axis captured the bridge, leading to the occupation of the Peloponnese. This battle remains a symbol of sacrifice and heroism in World War II in Greece. In 1944, the Germans destroyed the transportation network, blowing up the railway and road bridges and setting off explosions in the foreport, making the canal impassable. On July 25, 1893, the grand opening of the Corinth Canal took place in Isthmia. The project was one of the most important public works programs carried out at the end of the 19th century, and was associated with the modernizing Prime Minister, Harolaus Trikoupis. The crossings of the canal began in 1893 with the inauguration, and remained until 1986, when the sinking bridges were put into operation. Carved into the rocks of the Corinth Canal, the bust of Emperor Nero stands as a testament to an ambitious project from 66 AD. Nero, determined to complete what Julius Caesar and Caligula had only envisioned, began work on the canal with 6,000 workers from both sides on November 28. The project advanced 3,300 meters, but was halted due to Nero's return to Rome to address Galba's rebellion, and was abandoned after his death. Periander built the Diolkos to facilitate ship passage between the ports of Centuries on the Saronic Gulf, and Lechion on the Corinthian Gulf. This paved road, lined with porostone slabs and wood, allowed small ships and warships to be loaded onto special vehicles and dragged across the 5-meter wide path, relying on the power of slaves and animals. Our short trip to the Corinth Canal has come to an end.